So I'm Marshall Nelson, one of the founders of the Youth Media Development Movement, trading as YMM, Youth Media Movement. So the Youth Media Movement ran various programs, high school, primary. We taught people even to do screenings, film screenings. You tell a story locally told by a young person, and it gets screened by your community, and everyone sees it. So we really worked on various models in terms of courses. We've done courses on computer. We've recently just finished a program on how to make drones. So you make a physical drone. You code it, pops your uncle, and you fly it. So the YMM's training is purely about making sure that we empower young people, and that was with the drone making and all of these things. We saw there was a desire need to train young black youth. We needed to make sure that we born enough black filmmakers so that our stories can be told. You know, the 3D printing is the most crucial part of every training, because the 3D printing gives us to print things. If you look at COVID-19, we are basically able to assist by printing these kinds of masks. We call it the Ellis band, and we print that. And that print, we then put a laminating paper on, or a paper sleeve, and it's got a piece of shield in front, and you are basically not protected, but safe of spreading. One of the things that I've discovered, even with the COVID-19, is that people can't access affordable masks. That is why we took our 3D printers. It was standing dead still because the COVID said we can't work. But now we can work. And what are we doing now is printing masks that we can give to our communities for free. And as we move along with this project that we're busy with printing the masks, we are also focusing on starting to work on what we can do besides this printing mask. It's important because when COVID is done, then what happens then? Then we need to have products available to show what we call proof of concepts. And these are what we're saying, it's how we can try to prevent the spreading. And the aim is to make sure that we don't just focus on masks, but we focus on other things that can also benefit our community. The mask is a start. So what you have here is basically the 3D machine. You know, the 3D machine can't operate if you don't have the filament. And the filament is the most crucial part of it. Because this filament goes to this piping and basically melts inside, and it then basically do the pattern. And the pattern gets put on a SIM card. The drawing that you want that must be printed is on a memory card, and we put it in here, and it basically prints. So this machine itself, I had to bring it down because it was giving me a little bit of trouble. So I brought it to my little workshop, so I can see how best I can do the leveling, see if the plate is getting hot, if the temperature is right, if the filament is pushing through, if the belt tension. So those are kinds of things that you check on these kinds of 3D printers to really see if it can give you a smooth deliverance. That's very crucial because it needs to make sure that it delivers.